How to create an online account to use DEWA Smart Services. Go to www.dewa.gov.ae. Click on Login. Click on Consumer category and DEWA ID. If you have a UAE Pass account or DEWA ID, you can enter your username and password to use Smart Services. If you do not have a UAE Pass account, click on UAE Pass and create a new account. Or you can create your DEWA ID by clicking on Create an Account. Click on Create an Account. Enter your business partner number or account number. Click on Register. Receive verification code by email or mobile number. Click on Get Verification Code. Then click on Next to receive the verification code. Enter the verification code you received and click on Submit. Now set up your username and password to complete your registration. Agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Create Account. Congratulations! Your DEWA online account has been successfully created. You can access all DEWA's services through our website and smart app, with special accessibility features for people of determination. DEWA. Your happiness is our priority.